Hi guys, this video I will show you how to set some MIDI keyboard to the Giglad just to be used very quickly and fast work when you play the live music or something. I will just show you how to set. It's very useful this function, and I will show you how to do. So first, going on the top on the tools, and we are going on the setting there. Let's just show you. When it's open, we need to going on the MIDI control. Let's just to show you now. Here with the zoom little bit, just to know exactly where is the MIDI control. When you have the MIDI control, we have this one. So from here we have a lot of option which one you want to set. So the first one we have the general, player, tempo, transposition, and many option. So the first one, let's to going first on the I wanna going on the mixer. The mixer, I have the option mixer master volume fader, and I will be using this one. This is just from the master volume, or that is this one. Later I will show you. Let's to say okay. I will try that's working now or not. Now it's working. You can see there. So the next function I will be one from the right and left hand as well. It's very useful as well. So this one we're going on the melody track here. On the melody track I have the left hand volume fader. I will put here on the no, on the third one. So master volume, no, that's master volume will be put on the another one on the controller 19. On the left hand, just in the press here, and I will put here the controller 14. On the right one volume, I will be put on the second one here on the controller 13. Apply, and later okay. Let's to try it's working now or not. So the first one is the master one, the second one need to be right one, is there, now is the visible, and third one need to be left hand, is there. So excuse me, another one I wanna put the quickly on the bank memory. I have on the my controller I have the pad here. I will be try to put on my pad on some few instrument just to be quickly from here. So we are going again on the setting, and let's to going bank memory. So that this one is the bank memory 1, 2, 3. So I have the 16, so that all this one. So on the first one, the bank memory, I will press the bottom 1. On the bank memory will be put the 2. On the bank memory 3, I will put my pad 3, just in the pressed, and see that's automatic is find which controller is the on the bank memory 4. On the bank memory I put this one, and the bank memory 6 will be put this one, and let's try and see it's working or not. That is the bank memory is here. Let's try. Now it's working. Now it's working when I'm press here. That's the second one, the first one is the fifth one, the sixth one, and I'm just in the memory up to here. So the another one for the style, let's to press some style, style is the some factory style, is the, let's to put this about. I think it's loading now. Right, so I would be happy to put on the automatic here main A, main 2, main 3 and main 4 will be good to control from here. So I need to going again on the setting. I need to going on the, let's to find bank memory style section. Yes, style section is there, so I have the intro 4, 5, 6 intro. So I will going on the style main 1. Style main 1, I will be happy to be here. I'm just in the press and automatic going on the control 32. So the style main 2 will be put on the second one here. The style main 3 will be put there, and style 4 will be put there. And let's to going on the one intro. The one intro will be put on the F5 here for the intro. And which function? So the I want a tempo on transposition further, just in the up and down. Let's to put just in the one here and another one here. Apply and OK, and let's to see which one is now. So the first one, I have the main one is there when I'm in memory. The second one is here, so the automatic, let's to press main A 3 and 4, and I have intro here as well. So intro is there, intro, and master control from here, left, and this is the right and left. And also I memory the bank memory here from the quickly one. So the first one, and let's to play a little bit. So I wanna be on the main one. Just let's to save some instrument on the bank memory, because I don't have that, is just in the preset, but that is not. Let's just to put like this instrument here, auto sax on the second one, chorus guitar on the third one, distortion guitar 4-1, and Elgrand just in the put here. And now I have on the bank memory the 5 instrument plus FM piano will be put there. And let's just show you now. So on the first one, when I see the bank memory, the alto saxophone, the next one I have the up and down. This is from the just in the +1 +2. Transport 6 on the top, you see the +7, +8, +9, +10, +11, +12, that is the 1 octave up. So from here on this function, again on the tools, on the setting, when you're going there on the MIDI controller, we have the absolutely lot of option to make some control direct from the MIDI controller direct on the Giglad. Another option when going on the keyboard map, the second one. So this is on the keyboard on the laptop. So the MIDI controller is available to save it here as well, and this is the very good function and option to working very faster, and not it's better also to if use it touch screen. The laptop with the touch screen is very good as well, but when have the quickly way direct from here on the controller on the controller, so when you play there, so the hand is like the real keyboard, because we are absolutely controlled everything from here direct like the real keyboard. Okay, so I am really hope to be useful for this information for everyone. Thank you very much to watch the video, and we see you very soon. Have a nice good day for everyone. Thank you very much.